Have you ever bought Bitcoin and then thought, uh-oh, where do I actually keep this thing? Yeah, I've been there too. Storing Bitcoin can feel stressful because, let's be honest, if you pick the wrong wallet, your sats could disappear faster than you can say crypto scam. But don't worry. In today's video, we're breaking down the best Bitcoin wallets in 2025. And I'm going to keep it simple. Whether you're just starting out, trading every day, or stacking Bitcoin for the long run, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which wallet works best for you. Alright, so here's the deal. Do you really need a Bitcoin wallet? The answer is absolutely yes. See, if you leave your Bitcoin on an exchange, you don't actually own it. Remember MTGOX, Celsius, FTX? Those names still haunt people because billions of dollars just vanished. Here's the golden rule in crypto. Not your keys, not your coins. A wallet is basically your personal vault. It's the only way to make sure you are in control. Not some exchange, not some company, just you. Now, before I show you the top wallets, let's quickly talk about the two main types. First, hot wallets. These are online wallets, usually apps on your phone or browser. Super easy to use, quick for transactions, but yeah, they're also more exposed to hacks. Then you've got cold wallets. These are offline, usually little hardware devices. Cold wallets are much more secure, but they're not as convenient if you're moving Bitcoin every day. And one more thing, custodial versus non-custodial. Custodial means someone else is holding your keys. Non-custodial means you hold your keys. More freedom, but also more responsibility. If you lose your recovery, it's gone. Period. All right, let's break down the 6 wallets I think stand out in 2025. 1. Best Wallet. Great for beginners. First up is Best Wallet. This one's perfect if you're brand new to Bitcoin. Here's why. There's no confusing seed phrase. Instead, it uses this fancy thing called MPC, which basically splits your private key into 2 parts. One part stays on your phone, the other on Fireblock servers. That way, no hacker can get the full key in one place. It's easy to set up, easy to use, and you can even buy Bitcoin directly with your debit card or PayPal. Honestly, it feels more like using a normal finance app than a crypto app, and for beginners, that's a win. 2. Ledger, the hardware king. Now, if you've been around crypto for a while, you already know this name. Ledger is like the gold standard for hardware wallets. Millions of people trust it because your private keys never touch the internet. Everything stays on the device, and you have to manually confirm transactions on it. They've got different models from the budget-friendly Nano S Plus to the Nano X with Bluetooth, all the way to the Ledger Stax, which has a touchscreen and looks super futuristic. If you're serious about holding Bitcoin for the long term, Ledger is one of the safest bets. 3. Trezor, the open source OG. Number 3 is Trezor. This was actually the very first hardware wallet ever made back in 2013, and it's still popular because it's fully open source. That means anyone can check the code. No secrets, no funny business, just transparency. The newer models, like the Trezor Safe 3 and Safe 5, even let you split your recovery phrase into multiple parts, so you're not relying on a single backup. It also has its own app, Trezor Suite, where you can buy, sell, and manage your Bitcoin. If you value openness and community trust, Trezor is a great pick. Number 4, Zengo. No seed phrase, just 3FA. Now, let's talk about Zengo. This one is different because there's no seed phrase at all. Instead, it uses 3-factor authentication, your email, a face scan, and a recovery file. That's huge because, honestly, most beginners mess up when it comes to storing their seed phrase. Zengo has never been hacked, and the Pro version even adds features like theft protection and inheritance options. If you want something mobile-first, super secure, and easy to recover, Zengo might be for you. Number 5, Tangem, a tap-and-go wallet. Number 5 is Tangem. This one is really cool. It's literally a card, like a credit card. You just tap it on your phone and boom, you can sign transactions.
Each set comes with 2 or 3 cards, so if you lose one, you still have backups. And get this, they're guaranteed to last 25 years. It's basically cold storage made simple. No USB sticks, no cables, no stress. Just tap and go. And finally, Cypherock, seedless cold storage with backup cards. And finally, Cypherock. This wallet is super unique because it doesn't rely on a single device or a 24-word seed phrase. Instead, it splits your private key into 5 different parts using something called Shamir's secret sharing. You only need 2 of those parts to access your Bitcoin. So if you lose 1 or 2, you're fine. It's built for hardcore hodlers who want maximum security. And it even has inheritance options for passing on your Bitcoin if something happens to you. So now I want to hear from you. What wallet are you using to store your Bitcoin in 2025? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to see what the LutaMarkets community is using. And hey, if this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe to LutaMarkets, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss the next crypto breakdown. Stay safe, stay in control, and remember, not your keys, not your coins. I'll catch you in the next one.